Did you know that corn has been around for more than 10,000 years? Corn has its origins in Mesoamerica, where it was cultivated by indigenous civilizations more than 10,000 years ago. For cultures like the Mayans and the Aztecs, corn was not just food, but a spiritual and cultural symbol. With the arrival of the European conquerors, corn began to spread throughout the world, adapting to diverse climates and soils until it became one of the most important crops on the planet. Currently, countries such as the United States, Mexico, Brazil, and Argentina lead the world's production of corn, and its use goes far beyond human consumption. In addition to its role in traditional dishes, corn is used in the production of processed foods, animal feed, and even biofuels. But one of the most popular and practical formats is, without a doubt, canned corn, a solution that preserves its flavor, freshness, and nutrients for months. The arrival of canned corn marked a before and after in the way this food is consumed. In the 19th century, the advancement of preservation techniques allowed canned products to begin to gain popularity. It was at that time when the first brands began to produce canned corn, offering families a convenient and accessible alternative. One of the keys to the success of canned corn lies in its production process. From harvesting at peak ripeness to canning and sterilization, each stage is designed to preserve the quality of the corn and ensure its freshness. This process not only allows the corn to retain its natural flavor, but also ensures that its nutrients remain intact. Canned corn is not only a practical product, but also an example of how marketing strategies have been able to connect with consumers. Since the first advertising campaigns of the 20th century, brands have promoted canned corn as a healthy, versatile food, perfect for the whole family. Industry-leading companies such as Green Giant, Del Monte, and others have used nostalgia, convenience, and freshness as central messages in their advertisements. In addition, campaigns with public figures and celebrities have helped popularize this food, positioning it as a staple in pantries around the world. In recent years, the canned corn industry has taken a turn toward sustainability. From the use of recyclable cans to the implementation of technologies that reduce water and energy consumption during the production process, companies are adapting to the demands of a more conscious market. This not only ensures that canned corn remains a practical choice, but also environmentally friendly. The journey of canned corn begins in the vast fields of cultivation, where the best varieties of sweet corn, known for their flavor and texture, are selected. These varieties have been developed over decades to ensure that the corn has a perfect balance of sweetness and firmness. The corn plants used for canning are specific varieties of sweet corn, which differ from the corn used for staple foods such as tortillas or animal feed. These varieties have smaller, tender grains with a high natural sugar content. Harvesting corn is a critical process that must be carried out at its optimal point of maturity, generally when the kernels are full of liquid and have their maximum sweetness. Advanced harvesting machines collect the corn in large volumes, ensuring that the grains are not damaged. Once harvested, corn must be transported quickly to processing plants to prevent it from losing freshness. Specialized trucks have refrigeration systems that help keep the corn in optimal condition. When the corn arrives at the factories, a meticulous preparation process begins that ensures only the best kernels are canned. The corn goes through visual and automatic inspection to ensure that the kernels are of high quality. Beans that do not meet the standards, for example, because they are too small or damaged, are removed. The corn is washed in large tanks with potable water and approved disinfectants to remove any dirt, pesticides, or bacteria. Specialized machines separate the kernels from the cobs quickly and efficiently. Leftover cobs are usually recycled as animal feed or to generate energy in the plants themselves. The beans are cut to a uniform size and graded according to size and color. This step ensures that the final product has an attractive and homogeneous appearance. To ensure that corn retains its natural flavor and nutritional properties, it undergoes cooking and blanching processes before canning. The grains are briefly immersed in hot water or exposed to steam. This step helps inactivate enzymes that could deteriorate corn during storage, maintain the vibrant color and tender texture of the beans. After blanching, the beans are quickly cooled with cold water to stop the cooking process. Before canning, the grains are mixed with a solution of water, salt, and in some cases, sugar. This enhances the flavor of the corn and acts as a natural preservative. Canning is the heart of the process, where fresh corn is sealed in cans to ensure its long-term freshness and quality. The factories are equipped with automated lines that fill thousands of cans per hour. The corn kernels are evenly distributed in each can before the salt or sugar water solution is added. Advanced sensors verify the weight of each can to ensure established standards are met. The cans are vacuum sealed to prevent air from entering, which could cause product deterioration. Each batch of cans is tested to ensure a perfect seal. The final step in the process is sterilization, which ensures that canned corn is safe for consumption and can be stored for months without the need for refrigeration. The sealed cans are placed in industrial autoclaves, where they are exposed to temperatures above 120 degrees Celsius for a specific time. This process kills any bacteria that may be present and ensures that the corn retains its freshness and flavor. Sterilized cans are cooled slowly to prevent warping and maintain product integrity. Each can receives a label that includes nutritional information, lot codes, and expiration dates. Once the process is complete, the cans are ready to be distributed to supermarkets and stores around the world. The cans are grouped in recycled cardboard boxes for easy transportation and storage. From the factories, the boxes are sent to strategically located distribution centers. Leading canned corn brands such as Green Giant and Del Monte have efficient logistics networks that ensure their products arrive fresh and safe to international markets. The canned corn manufacturing process is not only designed to be efficient, but also to minimize its environmental impact. Many factories use solar and wind energy to reduce their carbon footprint. Leftover cobs and water used in washing are recycled for other uses, such as biofuel production. Corn cans are completely recyclable, making them a sustainable option for environmentally conscious consumers. Brands have introduced innovative formats such as small single-serving cans or BPA-free packaging. Marketing campaigns have highlighted the freshness and versatility of canned corn, positioning it as an essential ingredient in recipes around the world. Corn has been around for approximately 10,000 years since it was domesticated by the indigenous civilizations of Mesoamerica. It is believed that the first corn crops were developed from a wild plant called teosinte, which is considered its closest ancestor. This domestication process occurred in what is now southern Mexico, specifically in regions such as the Tehuacan Valley. Teosinte, a plant with small ears and hard kernels, was cultivated by early farmers who selected larger varieties with soft kernels. Over time, corn became an essential crop for pre-Columbian civilizations, such as the Mayans, Aztecs, and Olmecs. These cultures not only used corn as a staple food, but also in religious ceremonies and as a spiritual symbol. Through trade and migration, corn spread throughout North, Central, and South America, adapting to diverse climates and soils. After the discovery of America by Christopher Columbus, corn was taken to Europe and later to Africa, Asia, and other continents. It quickly adapted to different climatic conditions, becoming an essential food in many cultures. Thank you for coming this far. Subscribe for more content of this style. See you soon.